It's been a while since I've done an update. There's really two things to talk about. First, I've finally built a raft for the deep water culture bed. It's a 2-inch thick insulating styrofoam basically, so it just floats on the surface. I'll cut some holes in the surface. I think 6 is probably about right for this thing, to put net pods in, and then there'll be a plant growing in each one, some leafy vegetable. The tank is doing good. I've got the white paper that's wrapping it to keep the algae growth at a minimum, and I've got you see in the back, there's some bubbles floating up. I've got a thing on the left, and then in the back, just a couple air stones that just pump air into it to make sure the oxygenation is going strong. The other big change is the chemical levels, the bacteria levels, I guess. For the longest time, for the first 4 weeks, there was virtually no change. The ammonia stayed high, and the nitrite and nitrate just stayed non-existent. But in this case, if you look, this is a reading that I did this morning. The ammonia that I had, I put in about 4 parts per million 36 hours ago, and if you notice, if it was a 4 parts per million, that tube on the left would be a dark forest green, but it's pretty pale, almost yellow. So it means there's basically no ammonia in there. Maybe less than 1 part per million for sure. More like a quarter of a ppm. So, and the vial in the middle is dark purple, probably 2 parts per million nitrite. It'd be pale blue if it didn't have any. And nitrate on the right is a pretty good shade of red, and it would be orange or yellow if there wasn't much in there. So those bacteria are going strong. It's all good news. In 36 hours or so, the ammonia was gone virtually, which is what you want. What you want more, though, is you need the nitrite to be all converted to nitrate. In this case, it's still the nitrite is still pretty high. So you want enough nitrate bacteria that converts nitrite to nitrate, so that there's virtually never a measurable amount of nitrite in the water. You want all of the ammonia to get immediately converted to nitrite, and all of the nitrite to get immediately converted to nitrate. And when that's the case, you know that it's working strong. So I've got a little time left. It's been about 4.5, 5 weeks since I started. So maybe another week, and our nitrate bacteria might be up to snuff. So in the meanwhile, I just keep adding ammonia to the water every couple days, every day or so, so that there's definitely always food for them to eat, and I keep it aerated so that the lack of oxygen doesn't kill them. But as soon as the nitrate bacteria gets a little stronger, so that we can keep the nitrite levels very low, then we're ready for fish and plants. So I'm thinking hopefully next weekend we can go buy some plants. And that's it.